Ready to discover cool facts about dogs and cats? Let's dive into this fun quiz and see how well you know these lovable pets. Here comes your first question on dogs and cats. Listen carefully as you decide which animal can hear better over long distances and why it matters. Next question in our dog and cat quiz. Think about which pet is more likely to show affection by purring and what that behavior means emotionally. Last question coming up in this dog and cat quiz. Consider which animal generally requires more exercise to stay healthy and happy day to day.